Simba are at it again, and we are ready to hit the road. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. My car is like super packed out. My dog can't even move back there, which I'm sure he's upset about. We got 3 hours and we'll be in Jacksonville. All right, guys. All right, guys. We got the keys. We are about to be walking in. We made it to Florida, guys. So let's walk on in. Simba, y'all, he's so excited. He don't even know what to do. He's so happy that we have a house. Oh, look, there's your ball, Simba. Oh, nice. Okay, so I guess this is a nice little area. This is my first time actually being in the house. I haven't actually been in the house. My husband has been in here, but I haven't been in here. Oh, okay, this is nice. So this is actually me and Simba's first time. Oh, this is really nice, you know, because when I saw the pictures online, but actually being in here. So we have a fireplace, nice little living room area. Okay, let's see. Come on, Simba, let's see what this is. We have, looks like this is our bedroom. Okay, so this is our bedroom. Nice, this is really nice. Okay, and looks like this is, oh, I love how this is separated. So, well, we only have one sink. That's okay. Guess we'll share that. Here's the bathroom. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see. Here's our bathroom. We have a closet right here. There's a toilet. Got a window. I love the shower. Nice shower. So I guess, ooh, a closet. Ooh, we got a mirror on the closet door. Nice. Mirror on the closet door. So this is the closet. And guys, the drive was so beautiful here. Like, I think I'm going to actually like Florida, Jacksonville. It's gorgeous. Ooh, this is nice. So like in the hotels, we have like one of these. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm going to be using that a lot. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Oh, our bed is so soft. Oh my gosh. I ordered this bed off of Amazon. So I'm so excited because it had really good reviews. It was actually an Amazon choice. And I got it Prime deal day. So I got a really good deal on it. But, you know, when you're ordering something online and you're looking at reviews, you know, you trust in the reviews. But it's nothing like actually... Oh my God. It's nothing like actually laying on it like, this is so soft. Okay, I gotta get up because I gotta show y'all the rest of this tour. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Okay, so let me go outside and let's see what's out here. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so this is attached to the bedroom, but I don't know what we could use or do with this, but it's really cool. It's like a little, I don't know what to call this. I mean, I guess you could turn it into a man cave or something. I don't know. I don't even know what to call this, but it's like, it's not a part of the kitchen and it's not outside. Here's the backyard. It's kind of like outside, but I don't know, but I like this area. I don't know what we're going to do with it, but it's pretty cool. Pretty neat. But, yeah, that's the backyard. So I like it. I like it a lot, actually. This is pretty cool. Okay, come on, Simba. Yeah, I love this, guys. This is going to be awesome. I'm going to be able to do, like, my own photo shoots. Like, this is, I love it. Oh, look, we have, like, a nice little thing right here. Cool. I like this. This is gorgeous, y'all. Wow. And we have a 4-bedroom. No, we do not have any children. Our only child is a dog. No children, but I am definitely going to use every space in this house. What did I do with the... Okay, there go the key. I'm going to say I can't lose a key. Oh, I can't lose a key. Okay. I think this is a dining part. I think I showed you guys that already. Where's the other bedrooms? Do we have stairs? I'm confused. I know it's a 4-bedroom, but I don't know. It's a lot of space in here, y'all. It really is. I don't see the light for, okay, here. Here we go. Well, I guess this is the laundry area right here. I know. Okay, I'm confused. Where are the other bedrooms? Are there some stairs in here? Here's the kitchen, guys. It's so dark. All right, here's the kitchen, guys. Got a microwave. Got stovetop. Oh, nice. I've never had one of these stovetops before, so I'm actually excited. That's pretty cool. And yeah, some stuff in the house. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Maybe it's not a. I'm so lost. I don't even know what to do. Maybe it's. Maybe I don't think it is a 2-story. I'm confused, but I don't know. But I guess I'll figure that all out. I'm so lost, y'all. I feel like I'm doing Oh, here's the other bedrooms. Okay. Oh, okay. So where our bedroom is, okay, is where the other bedroom. So it is a 1-story, but all the beds are, well, all the beds are on one. Well, yeah, they would have to be on one level because it is. Okay, yeah, y'all know I'm a blonde, so I be saying crazy stuff. Oh, so that's a closet. Okay, so this is another bedroom. So I guess bedroom number 2. And if we do have guests, they have their own restroom, which is perfect. Perfect, perfect. Love it. Oh, I've never seen this in the bathroom before. This is nice. This is a nice little area, and this is for the guest bedroom. So you could probably put like a nice chair there and make that like a vanity or something. That's actually real pretty. Yeah, here's another room. Okay, I'm so actually excited that I came in here because I was actually later on going to actually head down to Office Depot so I could get me a desk, but never mind, because it kind of has like already like a built-in desk. So I guess this is gonna be like an office space. I guess that'll be nice. So we'll have like an office space here. I see that he put some stuff in the closet, so maybe he's claiming this room. I don't know, but I always win. So maybe he can claim that room, and I'll claim this can be my room. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, yeah. He didn't put anything in here, so maybe this is my little extra room, I guess. I can't wait, guys. I want to build a vanity, like a nice vanity room, like to put my makeup on and stuff. So that'll be awesome. And I want to have like a really pretty shooting area for you guys. So that was our house tour. We made it in. I am excited. Simba is excited. Make sure you like, subscribe to this video. And guys, thank you for being on this journey with me. I prayed the entire time. Thank God it did not rain on the way here. I didn't get a flat tire. I didn't get in any accidents. I pray and thank the Lord for everything, for all the grace. I feel like God was right there in the car with me, and I am so blessed. Thank you for my family who talked me through the way. Thank you to my friends who talked to me, sent me messages. You know, I really appreciate all of that. Truly means a lot. I'm going to go now because I'm excited, and I have a lot of work here, you know, guys. When I left from California, you know, pretty much the travel, that distance is so expensive. I only got one U-Box, so pretty much I kind of left everything that I had there. Got rid of all the stuff, so it's literally starting over from scratch, like literally having to buy every single thing over: dishes, pots, pans, beds. Yeah, starting all over again. So yeah, this will be a lot of fun to decorate. I'm excited. I love the fireplace. We are in October. I love, love, love. I know we're gonna have a lot of guests that comes and visit us, so I want to make it really pretty and make it very homey. And I'm in love, guys. Thank you again for tuning in. Thank you, guys. I'm gonna go now.